that is the ocean, and we are still in our accommodation. Sawadee, we are in Thailand. We have made it. Been on our bucket list for ages to go to Thailand. Like, I've been talking for ages. We've wanted to come here, and we're finally here in Thailand. This is just awesome. We're in the district of Krabi, province of Krabi. We're in a place called Ao Nam Mao beach. Our resort right here, and this is the bit of a driveway for our resort. Say morning, Charlie.
Morning.
Or say Sawadee ka.
Oh, Sawadee ka.
And right at the end of our little driveway bit, that's the beach. This is the beach as well, where we're right where we are. The place we've got is super clean inside. It's a good place, good gardens, grounds, everything, and like it's right on the beach. And we're paying, it's $18.18 Australian a night. That's actually under our budget. And oh, and it has a pool. It has an infinity pool right here, which looks super clean and awesome, fully inviting. Heaps of chairs to sit on as well, got the umbrellas as well with them. Swing around, again, like I said, we are right here on the beach. Well, they say it's not a swimming beach because it's like mangrovey sort of area. Oh, but well, there's a right now there's a beach right there. I wouldn't care about just sitting on that beach. There's shade down there as well, and look at our view. So water, long tail boat out there, little bit of mangrove, absolutely epic cliffs, limestone cliffs right there as well. Coconut trees on the beach. I mean, really, for $18 a night. I mean, we are just speechless at this place.
Fabulous.
Our first night, this is going to be our first full day in Thailand, and already I'm just blown away just by the accommodation where we are, and we haven't even been anywhere yet. All right, let's go for a wander around our little area here and try and show you what our first day here is like. The accommodation is pretty good. They've got these bungalows as well you can get. There's 25 bungalows here. They're supposedly a little bit bigger than the room we're in, but we're pretty happy with the room we're in anyway. Bungalows are 24 Australian dollars, 600 baht. Our room is $18, which was 400, and I think it was about 450, 480, 480 baht for a night. Super cheap. We're getting a scooter today as well. That is 200 baht, which is $8 for the day. We're just going to get it for 4 days because it's hell cheap, and why not just have it here even if we just got to go for a coffee in the morning. It's just heaps cheap. This is the place where we're at. Diamond Beach Resort. We have 45 days on our visa. We will be in Thailand that whole time, and we can't wait. As you can see right now, in the pool, having a great time. I've just been flying the drone around, got some epic shots up over that limestone cliff area, and it's my turn now to cool down and chill off in the pool as well. All right, about to do this. We just changed up our room. We've gone upstairs now. So now we've got the ocean, got that amazing limestone cliff all up there as well. Lawn area, swimming pool as well, you can see just in there. And the room is pretty well the same as downstairs. I'll just give you a quick run through. I'm not going to do the full tour thing, but just come in, got what we need. Fridge, TV, big king bed, AC. And so we're still getting all of this on the second story for 18 Australian dollars. I mean, come on, could you get a place like this anywhere in Australia for $18? With a view like that. Rightio, I'm just going to wrap up this super short video. We're here in between Krabi, Thailand, and Ao Nang Beach. This place is called Ao Nam Mao. Sort of, I think it's pronounced that way. But anyway, where we're staying, it's amazing. We've got huge, like behind, like out this way right now, huge granity, limestoney cliffs. The ocean is just down here. This place has got palm trees, a swimming pool, the whole lot going on here as well. We paid 18 Australian dollars a night. Then when we went and because we're now rebooking it for another 5 nights, we've been given an even more discount on top of that. So it's probably only about $16 or $17 a night Australian. So we are absolutely over the moon stoked with the accommodation we've got here right now. The place is just jaw-dropping. Every time we walk out to go down by the beach, or we go try and find a little place to eat, the food is amazing. The places along the beach are amazing. There's one point there we went down to a cafe beach bar, and we got down there. I even had the cameras and everything with me, and we got down there, and I just was so jaw-dropped with the situation of the position where we were, and didn't even film. I picked up my phone and did a quick little spin around, which is right now. Gotta love these days where you get down here to the beach and it's just dead flat calm. And this is low season, so this is middle of the monsoon. I doubt whether anyone would complain about being in Thailand right now during monsoon. And we are sitting just here on the beach, having a great feed of lunch, some spicy Thai dishes. And as you can see, it was just like the weather here is supposed to be middle of monsoon, and it's just calm as not hardly a breath of wind. A few clouds roaming around makes it look a little bit grayer, but super calm ocean. It's just the best experience. And like I said, this is our day one, first day in Thailand, and we're absolutely loving it. And like I said at the start of this video, we've been wanting to come here for like 3-4 years plus. We're here now and our expectations are met. This is amazing, and we're going to have heaps more videos for you. So if you enjoyed this quick little video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed, and we'll see you on the next one with more videos to come from this area before we go to Phuket, and then after that hopefully we are going to Koh Samui Island as well. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye. Just a great view from our room. Hey Cat Nathan, how you going?
Hey guys!
Check this place out. Thailand.